struggling.
Oh, here we go. She's near.
Yeah, that light's come on for that camera over there.
Oh, that's great.
It's like the camera's gone.
Yeah. Don't look over there because you've got a camera right there. Next to you.
Nice. She's in. Yeah. My guys have stumbled on a wicked farmhouse. It's wicked. Got Kate and Wes here with us. Hey, hello! Morning! Look at this place. Oh, I've got to put my hood up now because it's got a camera on. I'm just going to switch. I can blur your face out.
Yeah, I don't be asking any fucking questions from the police. Why were you out of your house? And we found 3 bodies.
Wow.
I don't know, officer. I planted the bodies there.
We really don't know.
Well, no, the security guard probably called the police.
Them spider webs, aren't they?
I saw
crazy,
the police
these
at my house, you know, after that security guard.
Yeah.
Because I told them I was there to hide the
Yeah.
bodies.
Hey, look.
You want any fishing gear? Wow. It's cool. This is cool. Security cameras and shit over there, so we can't go that way, can we? It stinks in here, guys.
It is like someone's died in here.
Yeah. Wow. We have already checked this place out, guys. Just that, obviously, we do a check first, just to make sure that no one's here.
I smell in this fucking room.
What was that?
I swear something.
What was it? Cool. I thought I heard someone shouting. It sounded like someone shouting.
Camera might pick it up.
Hopefully, yeah.
Smells like someone's died in here.
Yeah. Definitely stinks.
God bless you.
Yeah. Look at this place there, guys. It's mad. It is mad. Wow.
Dinner.
Wow.
A rat trap for dinner.
Ah.
Is there a rat trap in
Yeah,
here?
there's a rat trap in the cooker. Someone's cooking a rat.
Oh God. There is as well.
Oh. That's handmade.
I can't believe that bang we've already heard upstairs.
Someone called Richard.
Richard the Third.
No, no.
Richard.
Richard Nixon.
I don't know. I think a woman died in there.
Oh, stamps. Stamp collections.
Richard Nixon.
Your bag is dirty as fuck.
Oh yeah. Or I'll clean it off before we go. This is horrible, man. This place.
I found a name.
You got an urn? No way.
The woman's called Betty.
Have a name? I thought you said an urn. Fucking hell.
Betty Arblaster.
Wow.
This is Backwitch Farm, this is.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I fucking did.
I think someone's outside.
Someone in the car.
Well,
I think they've just drove through, that's all.
let's hope no one's outside the premises here because their borders in my front.
Yeah.
That was me.
Thank God for that. Nice big door.
Gosh.
Are you ready? Sorry guys, one sec. We're back guys, we're back. There's no one there, can't see anything.
Keep the cameras back on windows.
Yeah.
I mean, the torches.
Definitely.
That road there is quite busy, people walking down it
Yeah.
all the time.
Oh, that's definitely what we'll be hearing. Oh, what we had.
Celadonna.
Holy shit.
Yeah, turn left.
Oh. Shall we guys? I think we should. Fucking hell. Oh.
That was us.
I walked into the door. My bad.
Whoa. Cool. It has been flooded at one point.
Don't
Wow.
stop on that, it's really sad.
Yeah.
No, but
Do you find out the hard way?
step in it, you'll sink through. Come
No, sir. I'm good.
on. Don't forget, this used to have shit in here as well.
Did it really?
Yeah.
God. The junk everywhere. Wow.
It's like a bunker one way, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice old burner. Look at that.
What, the burner?
Yeah, beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Sorry for swearing, guys. Oh, shit. One shitter.
Here's the lovely
Wow, man. Let's have a look at the happy couple. Wow. Amazing. 78s.
No. Got a name on them fingers.
Yeah,
H. Freeman.
that's a very old picture there. I think that's this place. Maybe. Wow. Oh, sorry. Every time I hear something outside, I keep thinking some gits here.
That's clothing line in London.
Yeah. Wow. That was a wicked orb that just went past my camera.
Yeah.
Brilliant. That's fantastic.
Oh, let's see if we can get photographs in your camera.
With a bit of luck, we'll get summit. Don't worry, guys, we're not doing the thingy just yet. We'll do that in a bit. The fuck? A tap on the stairs.
I told you there's smoke
Yeah.
on that stairs. So,
Look at that.
the top of the stairs, people. I've seen someone at the top of the stairs
Yeah.
and they disappeared. And then a bag was moved at the top of the stairs. And we've just heard a tap. Same place.
We've heard when we was. Yeah, that's actually on video, and we heard a bang from that upstairs room. Whoa!
Wow.
What the fuck? Whoa!
Yeah.
That just fucking. Did that come from up there?
Is that through down the stairs?
Fucking hell! Whoa!
Just got through down the stairs.
Holy
I told you there's something
shit.
right up there, man.
Oh my god.
They don't want
Wow. Fucking scared the shit out of me.
I don't want us coming back up the stairs, really.
No.
I don't think they do now. Oh,
So should we
bloody
go?
hell. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to do a video upstairs.
I don't think
Not after what just happened.
I think you might want to leave upstairs or not.
Yeah.
Because you'll be flying down there next.
Fucking hell.
And trust me, I'm not
Well.
catching you.
I might have a walk up, do a very quick one. Because it'd be a shame not
I'll
to
go
show
with you if you
people.
want.
Okay.
Yeah?
Look at that, man. Look at that piano.
Do you want me to?
That's completely dead. Yeah, I'll go up first.
Oh, you
I
want,
don't mind.
no,
going.
you, want,
Hello.
you want the camera up first.
Shine away.
Let the camera go
Is
first.
that your excuse?
We've had
No,
that piece
it's
of
not.
wood thrown.
It's
When
just
we
that
was up
if
here
anything
earlier.
does happen, the camera will see it first.
Well, when we was up here earlier, we've already checked this out. Just making sure no one was here. The fuck was that? That bag there, that piece of paper is a sleeve off a record. That was there as I walked up. It got through there. Katie saw something
There we go.
about here,
Standing where I am.
where we are now.
You know what it is? I think it's on that room now.
Yeah,
Shall we go now?
we'll go to that bit in a minute because that's where the activity just feels really heavy. It's horrible in there. Whew. Guys, this place is just fucking amazing. Wow. So many spider webs. Never seen so many.
Something to know.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
Wes.
Go on,
You go
Wes.
first.
Go on, Wes.
Why?
I don't know.
Wow.
Hey, if I get thrown by a poltergeist, I hope you know, I'm going to get back up and chase him. I would actually do that as well.
I don't want to go too far because the bloody spider webs are just unbelievable in this place. Look at that. Whew. Okay, he's just cut one in the face.
Yeah.
Didn't feel any of it until you said about the face.
Yeah. Oh man. Some serious mould in here. It's not good. Yeah. Man.
Hey, if you get shocked, I hope you get it on camera.
I hope so. That'd be great. So where Kate is just now, that's where she saw something. It's like a figure. I was going to have a go on my vape then. I had a bloody torch in my hand. Look at all these. Oh,
Wow. He had to disrespect.
No, don't want to cause any issues.
Unless you jump me across the road, then I'm coming after you.
The old records.
The gum shield there.
Yeah.
What the fuck's that going to do?
Got a photo.
What
Oh,
like
it's a
that?
dog.
Oh,
name.
puppy dog.
One of the coloured thing was behind. I think it's one of them things that you see at the beach, you know, like a divider.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
That you get changed behind.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All their bedding's from Dunelm, by the way, if anyone wants to go and buy the new range.
Right.
This
Yeah.
is called Aesthetic Lived
Oh
In.
shit. I just took a drop near enough. Right, this is the bit we don't like because look at that, guys. It's mad. And there's so many spider webs in here.
It's yeah.
Yeah, footsteps. Behind me.
Oh shit. Right, this is the room I don't like. Really hate this room. It's horrible.
You evil, you went.
He's evil.
If you jump it, don't come
All
go
the cupboard
something.
doors open.
Yeah.
What?
You don't see that nowadays, do you guys?
I don't like that chair in the corner of the room.
They
Not
obviously
nice,
had
is
a VCR because they have a SCART lead at the back. Fucking hell, that's old, SCART lead.
Oh yeah.
Something not right.
Well, it's not nice, is it?
No.
This room smells the most.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that?
I'm getting out of this room. Fuck that. This is horrible. That's my stomach.
No, it wasn't.
What was that? Did you hear that?
Something else there.
Over that way? By the fucking stairs?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a look. What the fuck? There's nothing here.
Idiot.
Absolutely nothing here.
Fuck off. I'm gonna bite your fingers.
Don't want to do too much in this room, guys, because we've got neighbours over there.
Who's got?
Tempe. Pissy pots. That's an old Tempe, that's a proper one.
I was gonna say
Did you
that's
talk about the one there?
Yeah. Look all this crap here.
Okay, turn the torch off.
1964.
No way.
Yeah. Don't play
Is
it.
it Tempe? It's a thingy, isn't it? No? That might be 1983, I think. No? 63.
Oh, we got company.
Wow.
Have you really?
Yep.
Great.
Someone's at the house.
Did you know some of the rooms?
What, over there? Did you hear the banging again?
No. Right, not going to bother with that room down there, 'cause that's fucking horrible.
Just show 'em. You just take quickly, Annie.
Oh, commitment, guys.
Shall we just jump out the window?
Oh. This is why I don't like this room. Call the mould. Never get used to that sound there. Wow. It's not nice, this room. It's god awful.
No, nobody moved then.
Yeah.
It still did it, look. And it stops as you shut.
Okay.
What?
Fucking
Is
hell.
that just
This is where we had the bang, weren't it? This is when we was downstairs. We had the bang. Just like that. Trying to duck a bit. Yeah. This upstairs is fucking horrible. Right, we're leaving you alone now up here. No. It's really not nice.
Some bit of the
Well,
table.
can't even wreck that.
Oh shit, yeah. That wasn't there earlier, was it?
I didn't see it. The camera will show it.
TikTok.
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 Says
Ah,
TikTok anyway.
it's another urbex.
Lindsay. Lindsay. What's that side, Lindsay? What?
Bloody hell.
Hi, Lindsay. We've just seen you
I'll give
around.
you a shout out.
Follow Lindsay as well, please, guys.
We just don't know how linked yet.
I don't know. Might make it out.
Guys, that concludes this video of the little explore.
Take a picture of that. We'll like that.
So we will see you in the next video. Fucking hell. Just want to see if something moved up there. Yeah, see you in the next video, guys.
Shit yourself upstairs.
Bye.
There's footsteps behind me.